Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to create a section view and a detail view in a drawing file on Onshape here. First thing is, hopefully you were able to get this part in just fine. If you brought it in and it needs you to make a copy, because it won't let you edit the one that I gave you the link to, just go ahead and make a copy. Usually the selection tool's over here somewhere. You can copy workspace, that'll work. The other thing is, if for some reason it shows up looking like this down here at the very bottom of the screen, just hit the home button and that tab will appear. So the first thing I need to do is create our drawing sheet. We're going to go down here to the bottom left hand corner and we're going to select the little plus and then go to create drawing. And for this one we want to create an ANSI B drawing file. If it's not showing up, if you select ANSI and you don't see it, hit the show Onshape drawing templates and it should show up. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and hit OK. And it'll take a minute to load. Alright, now we're going to select the part we want to drop in, which is this guy right here. Now, we don't actually want the front view, so we need to go ahead and select top for this. And we're going to drop it down as far as we possibly can, right about there. And then we want to take our ISO and put it as far up here as we can, give us plenty of room to put in our section and detailed views in a moment. Alright, so we have those two in. By the way, edit the title block and add in the title for this. Can make it crank arm, whatever. But I'm hoping you can do that one without me showing you in the video here. If you can't, go on the help for Onshape and see if you can figure that one out. Alright, so detailed view. You're going to select detailed view. You can select, we're actually going to make this a 4:1. Okay, so it's going to be 4 times bigger. The name of the view is going to be A, so it just kind of automatically selects that. And I want to center it right there on that second circle in, bring it out. And that looks pretty good right there. Alright, and as I said, this guy's going to be big. It might be a little too big. Don't panic, it's okay. We'll do 3:1, okay? And so, I'm going to bring that guy over here because I have a section view we're going to do in a second. Boom. I'll drop that guy in. You can move it as you need to when you go to dimension it. And the next thing, so that's how you do a detailed view. Basically, what a detailed view does is it zooms in on something that has a lot going on. It's really going to be hard to dimension it right there so that people can actually see what's going on. So this blows it up, and now I can dimension it in the detailed view where I can see a little bit more of the finer, well, details. All right, section view. Okay, this lets me see what's going on inside of the object. In this case, I want to cut it right down the middle here, okay? And I want my view, the little arrows, to go to the left. So I'm going left, I'm going to click, and it's creating my section view. Oh, I don't know why it ended up there, but we'll bring them over and drop them off, okay? And actually, I'll fix this in a minute. We need this guy to be a little bit bigger. Once again, actually, let's go ahead and drag him down. See if he brings his friend. Yeah, see, he did bring his friend. Alright, let's go ahead and double click on that. And for this one, maybe not 4:1 again, since that seemed to be too much. Let's make it 3:1 again and see if that works. Alright, hopefully, yep, and it only changed my section view, so that's good. Perfect. Alright, so at this point, that should be all the views you need. Make sure you finish your title block. And now you're going to dimension it. If you want to bring this in, that's okay now that we've got everything in place. The only other thing is, like, this guy's kind of overlapping. This is the label that goes with the detailed view. This is the label that goes section view. Notice BB, and that is what is on the section view lines there. And then detailed drawing is A, because that's what that one is labeled there. Alright. So at this point, you can go ahead and start the dimensioning process, and I will have a file on Canvas for you to follow for that. All right?